Hello everyone, this is Ashmita and the channel Lek Swagatam. Swagatam everyone, and yes, I will be reacting to the update of Marakkar. So finally, Marakkar Arbikadhanlinte Simham is having a theatrical release. Yay! Yes, so finally we're gonna get this movie in theaters, and I am definitely looking forward to it, and I'm definitely gonna watch it. So let's just check what this update is about, because I got so many comments asking me to, react to the update specifically for the theater release. So yeah, let's see what this is about. Finally gonna watch this in theaters. Chalo, let's check. It's like a 1.5 minute update, trailer, teaser, whatever. Okay. Wait! There are no subtitles. Okay. Guys, have to watch it without the subtitles then. What to do? Okay. Look at the sets. Yes. Lion of the Arabian Sea. Yes! Oh, I am so excited because this is going to be my first Lalita film in theaters. It's going to be such a great experience. I already know, because the movie won so many national awards, so already I know that yes, it's going to at least come at par or supersede a lot of my expectations that I have from this movie already. And this particular music, this was there in the the trailer also, which I had reacted long time back last year. So firstly, the look is just larger than life, and I can just see how epic it's going to visually look in the theaters. Excuse me. So first, that the color scheme looks so beautiful, and I don't know why I have this every time in the trailer also. When I had reacted to it, just gave me the Pirates of the Caribbean feel, though this is inspired from like a true event, of course, but just the entire costume, set design, everything. This is just technical aspect wise, like with the cinematography, camera work, costume, set design, the music, all of that looks top notch, absolutely top notch. Even the VFX, it looks great. It just looks amazing. Now, how the story is, of course, that's for all of us to judge as audience once the movie releases. So, but the expectations are definitely there. I mean, oh my god, people are going to storm in the theaters, and I hope, this is my one true wish, that this movie gets that unbelievable pan-India recognition that Bahubali got. Of course, Bahubali's budget and everything was extremely high, but whatever it is, I just want the movie to have this pan-India recognition once it releases in the theaters. That's going to be such a big thing. That's going to be such a big thing. So, and of course, you know, Lalita is there, and it's Priyadarshan. So Priyadarshan is a director who is like really very well known in the, just generally in the Indian, you know, masses. So I'm pretty hopeful. I'm pretty hopeful. And looking at this, I don't know how the promotions are happening now, because this is going to release on 2nd. So if they really want to push for a pan-India thing, I think they need to really step up in terms of the promotional material, because now 15 days are left, so they really need to do their promotions very, very, very aggressively. Like in Kerala, of course, you know, the brand name overall Mohanlal plus Priyadarshan is anyways like the super duper hit combo. So people are anyways gonna rush in that. But you know, outside Kerala, I think they need to really, really aggressively promote. That's just my thought, so that it reaches the maximum amount of people. So let's see how many theaters, you know, it occupies, how many shows are there. I'm really hopeful, and I will of course want to, I know there's a Hindi dub for this, but I would want to watch this in Malayalam only. Let's see. I would definitely want to watch this in Malayalam only, because just to get the feel of the way they're throwing their dialogues and stuff, because I've really not had a very good experience with Hindi dub, honestly. I've tried with other films, but then I've realized that, you know what, it's better to watch it in the original language with the subtitles. And I'm really used to looking at the subtitles and watching the movie, so because I've done it now so much that it doesn't feel uncomfortable for me, at least personally. So I think I'll end up watching it in Malayalam only. So yeah, that was the reaction to the teaser, like to the update, not the teaser update, Marakkar update for the theatrical release. Looks great, absolutely larger than life, fantastic, and I will be definitely watching this film. There's no doubt about it. So yes, I will end the video here. I hope you enjoyed this reaction. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And yep, I will see you soon on my next video now. Bye guys!